Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today is going to be an experimental sort of video and I'm going to do something very different. So this is the mold that I'm going to use today. Let's open it. So this is my first time using this mold. I really love the design of the decoration items for Christmas on this mold. So I have two of them. I'm not going to use all of the slots. I'm going to use few of them. So I will be mixing my resin now and then I'm going to pour it into the mold. So I have mixed my resin and in my resin I'm going to add some chameleon flakes. Lately I'm using these Opal chameleon flakes by Let's Resin. They are really amazing. So you will be seeing me doing experiment with this also. For now I'm going to add these into the resin, so you can also rub them onto the mold itself. They create amazing effects, but I'm going to add it into the resin. So I combine two of them and now I'm mixing it. I'm going to pour it into the mold. So it's going to be half and half. I'm going to pour this into a few areas and then I'm going to add some other color. So I'm not going to fill my mold only with this resin. So after adding the first one, now I'm going to add this. This is actually a blue transparent epoxy pigment and I'm going to use a little bit of this into the resin. So it's going to be a lovely transparent chameleon flake resin and then this blue resin, all combining both of them together. So at the moment I am creating actually a base here. So on the base I will be trying that experiment that I told you. So there is no set way of making this. I'm just randomly doing it half and half or in the middle or on the side where I find the space that is empty. I'm going to add this blue resin. And after that I will leave them to cure. I will see you next day. So this is the next day. They are looking lovely on their own. I'm just loving them because it created lovely effects inside the mold. The ornaments turn out to be really amazing. So now I'm going to demold each one of them. So now comes the fun part. I'm going to use this ice crystal spray effect. So actually I was looking for different effect if I find any different sort of effect on the spray painting areas. I saw this one and I thought I'm going to buy this and see what it's going to do. So I have in this for this reason I made the base of the ornaments and now I'm going to spray them from a distance. So here I'm doing that. You have to apply them a bit generous. So you are supposed to use this spray onto the windows and any area that you can is see-through. It creates a lovely icy sort of effect. I'm excited to see how it is going to turn. I see this on videos that how this spray works. So now I'm going to try it myself. So I will leave this overnight. Overnight, I'm going to show you. I'm so excited. Here are the crystals that are formed on the top of the ornaments. They are a bit icy sort of design. So maybe if next time if I use a black color, it might show a lot, but still the thinking behind was that I am going to give a frosty look. So there are sort of small crystals, icicle sort of spread all over the resin ornament. But one thing is that as soon as I did the top coat, it was vanishing. So that is the thing that I think I can't do a top coat on this one. It's similar to the holographic effect, if you know about that. If you put a top coat onto the holographic effect, it vanishes. So same thing is here. So I thought I'll not do that. So these are the ones that were perfect. Rest of them I did the top coat, so it didn't turn out to be amazing. Everything vanished. But on its own they are amazing. They don't remove themselves easily from the object unless you are going to wash them. so then the icicles will be vanished, but overall they are looking amazing and they will be a lovely add-on for the Christmas tree. So I'm going to give a little touch up to my ornaments here. I'm using here alcohol brass pinata ink, and I'm doing the edges here just to make it more interesting. So you can use different dark colors. I think I prefer dark colors. On dark colors, this is going to be really amazing. As you can see the icicles and the crystal formation onto the top of the resin item. So with my hand, I'm applying a little bit of alcohol ink here and there. So this is what I will be doing here. So this is going to be the final step, and after doing that, I'm going to show you how they turned out. So adding a little bit of alcohol ink, and this is the finished piece. You can add some crystal effect also, but I thought I'm just going to leave them like that because there are design on the top of these ornaments, the crystal formation spread all over the resin item. I'm going to show you some close-ups also. I think it is a lovely way of creating a texture on your resin ornaments and giving it, you can see, a 3D form. So I think this experiment was pass. Only thing is that I couldn't do the top coat, so that is, you can say, a negative point here, but still it is a lovely way of creating ornaments. So that's it for today. I will link everything in my description, and if you like to treat yourself, like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.